SLP cost show negative trends on the 7-day cost breakdown and in a non-pretentious way that is sort of notable. SLP unquestionably experiences competition, particularly when it comes to zero cash, in a manner that is additional. A extremely large and completely smooth love combination is currently valued at $0. Support for the bears in general, and the 22nd of April in particular, has been set at $0. In this video, we will essentially sort of walk you through the smooth level elixir cost exam for right now or for roughly 1 week from now, and for the most part genuinely attempt to answer these frequently in a real sense clarification on some things, what really is in every way that really matters genuinely momentary cost expectation for generally as SLP and in every practi market analysis in a kind of huge way over the absolute last 24 hours there really was a loss of 1.84%. Bringing the really entire cryptographic money market to $1154-329-028-372, or so they explicitly most certainly thought in a casual way. The overall total trading volume generally remains at $44,480,359,250 in a kind of huge way. Ethereum has a strength of 16.33 while Bitcoin holds 45.72% of the market, indicating that the kind of truly all-out trading volume is still $44,480,349,250. This sort of huge amount caused Bitcoin's price to decline by 2.73% to $27,275.35 level. Moreover, in contrast to popular belief, Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after losing 0.77% of its value. These events largely demonstrate that the market is going in a fundamentally lovely descent course, for most definitely especially at the moment. Elixir support and opposition, which, when all is said and done, is actually substantial support and opposition in a true sense, or major specialized pointers used to identify particularly between frequently crucial cost levels where the pattern can follow a different path, plus. Support in every practical sense is a level at which buyers, all things considered, especially become significantly more lovely dynamic and most definitely prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, which certainly explicitly shows that XRP, the kind of most definitely local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 3.99 and at the moment EXC. They truly believed that the value worth of the essentially in all actuality that really matters smooth love mixture was worth the price of the smooth level licks, which are truly smooth love mixture execution. The all things considered daily outline of truly smooth love mixture in a real sense shows that the SLP cost certainly fundamentally has an exceptionally descending development with a 1.18% diminishing in all actuality recent hours or so. Sort of staying at $0, Elixir coin marketplace value $137,276,313 or so they generally believed, while the exchanging volume for the most part sort of is floating around $10,395,015, which sort of shows that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 3.99 and is currently exchanging at 45 cents, which basically generally SLP price. We use the genuinely relative strength index moving essentially normal union and dissimilarity backing. Levels opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely simple moving certainly normal and remarkable to analyze for the 22nd of April, 2023 in an especially fundamentally everyday time period. Moving fundamentally typical to explicitly deconstruct the future evolution of the practically flawless love combination, which unquestionably demonstrates that it equals SLP cost streak signs of negativity on the 7-day cost diagram. Contrary to popular belief, the really genuinely relative strength file shows that the SLP coin is actually close to the oversold zone as the RSI kind of is at 34 in a very significant way. Additionally, the MSCD line unquestionably is still below the type of sign line after a hybrid, which really demonstrates that extremely smooth love mixture value investigation SLP price the 22nd of April, 2023 is examined within a kind of everyday time frame that is actually made sense of below, and for the most part, is quite critical and somewhat at odds with conventional wisdom. Easy love elixir financial backers need to generally explicitly hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday diagram kind of additional appearance. How similar obstruction generally is a level at which vendors sort of become moved sort of dynamic and in a real sense truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially all things considered is genuinely critical, while SLP's Williams %. Our pointer basically in every practical sense is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition and exchange pretty sign generally is extremely sort of conceivable at this reach, or so they essentially thought, which is very huge as per the ordinary turn. The pivotal quick opposition for SLP may by and large be basically found at $0 in a real sense, certainly followed by $0, exhibiting how equals SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days. Cost outline, which in a real sense is very critical in a very significant matter. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency as help levels explicitly generally were situated at $0, afterwards $0, and in every way that really matters huge way-ins, there essentially had been an especially fundamentally bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will for the most part go on concerning all plans and purposes long as it essentially stays in the rosy region. Or so they in a real sense thought you ought to possibly procure crypto the present moment, assuming you rarity to in every practical sense hold it through the high points and low points of the crypto market. So XRP, the local coin of XRP, most certainly fundamentally is somewhere near 3.99 and right now exchanging at 45 cents, which basically is genuinely critical.
On Tuesday, the cryptocurrency markets were trading in the red ahead of the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. Bitcoin, BTC, plunged 2.04% to $28,056, while Ethereum, ETH, fell below $1,850. BTC volume was around $15.74 billion in the last 24 hours, a 13.55% decrease from the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin began the new week trading in the red as markets prepared for a busy week of economic events in the United States. BTC is currently trading at $28,000. It reached a high of $29,900 during the weekend. Investors are paying close attention to what the Federal Reserve says on Wednesday about whether or not it will raise interest rates, said Mudrex co-founder and CEO Edel Patel. The entire market value of all cryptocurrencies was around $1.16 trillion, up 1.51% in the last 24 hours. DeFi's total volume is currently $2.50 billion, accounting for 7.18% of all cryptocurrencies' total 24-hour volume. All stable